in placing your order for the custom lineup covers. First, choose the plate that you would like the cover for. If you would like a front cover, make sure to grab your front license plate. If you would like a back cover, make sure to grab your back license plate. To scan your license plate, we recommend you use an industrial scanner like at your local Office Depot, FedEx, or any office supply store with a scanner. If you don't have a local store to visit, contact us and one of our staff can assist you. When setting your scanner, make sure to send a colored scan. The scale should be 1:1, where the finished scan should be the actual size of the plate. For US and Canadian customers, we recommend setting the scan size to 8.5 by 14. For the resolution, set the scanner to 300 dpi, which we highly recommend for the best accuracy. Before scanning, wipe and clean the plate so that it is dust-free. If your plate is bent or its shape is damaged, make sure to straighten it as best as you can so that the scan will be precise. Once it is ready, put the plate in the scanner and align the plate. Make sure the entire plate is in the scanning field. Once you're done, hit the scan button. And that's it, you're done. Our team will start making your order and we'll let you know if there are any issues with your scan. Thank you for your support and let us know if you have any questions. We look forward to your order.